How to stop app using your location permission on your stock Android 15. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down up to location. Tap on a location. Make sure to toggle on it to see the app permission. Now tap the app location permission option. Here you can see 17 of 40 apps have access to location. Here you can change the app location permission setting on your Android 15 and other device. Now apps with this permission can access your device location. So here you can categorize the app by allow all the time, allow oil while in use, and the last option if you want to ask every time or not allow. So this is the list of all location permission for specific application. To change their setting, just tap the application. Now here we select this application. Here you can set the location access for this application from the allow only while using app, ask every time. So whenever you open this application, it will ask you to allow location permission or not, or if you want to turn off the location permission or can't allow location permission, select the don't allow option. So this is the all setting you can apply to change the location permission or set the location permission on your Android 15 device. That's it. If you like it, share it.